Ya, teman-teman, kita akan survei air terjun Lolan. Ada teman bilang, dia bilang kata ya itu apa aja bentuk Lolan katu.
Now and then she tried to run, and then on the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark, and something came creeping. It told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains, the valley low, give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh.
Hai guys, kami lagi berada di air terjun Batu Indah di Desa Lolan, Kecamatan Bolaang, Kabupaten Bolaang Mongondo. Di sini mungkin pembuatan bendungan ini dibuat berdasarkan anggaran dana desa dari Desa Lolan. Jadi pembangunan ini cukup untuk menarik hati para wisatawan lokal yang ada di kawasan Bolaang Mongondo Raya, guys.